In the small town of Maplewood, nestled between rolling hills and golden fields, the local high school girls baseball team was known not just for their sharp PITCs and fierce home runs but for their legendary post-game celebrations. The Maplewood Marauders, comprising 12 spirited teens, had just clinched a spectacular win against their longtime rivals, the Ashton Aces. As the final inning wrapped with an astounding triple play, the bleachers, filled with jubilant family and friends, erupted into cheers. However, the real spectacle was yet to begin. Amid the applause, each girl casually lined up along the first baseline. With mischief and glee, the crowd hushed, sense anticipation in the air. Then, with a nod from Emily, the team's charismatic captain, the music blared from the SP Eakers, a lively, foot-tapping tune that made it impossible not to smile. First came a perfectly coordinated dance routine, each player showing off their unique MOVs, infused with spirited baseball twists, swinging bats as dance poles, gloves as tapping shoes, and helmets spinning delightfully in the air. Their performance was not just a display of joy but a testament to their teamwork and camaraderie. Next, Sophie, the witty catcher, grabbed the mic, launching into a hilarious impersonation of their coach, Mr. Thompson, depicting his game-time quirks and pep talks, complete with his iconic, overly enthusiastic thumbs up. Laughter bubbled over the field, even Mr. Thompson himself chuckling and shaking his head in amused resignation. As the celebration drew to a close, the Marauders invited everyone onto the field for a giant, communal dance-off. The field transformed into a tapestry of athletes, fans, and families, all sharing in the infectious joy brought on. A game well played and a celebration even better delivered. In Maplewood, victories were sweet, but it was the celebrations that everyone truly cherished.